Welcome to this short video on assembly reports. Assembly reports is a tool that comes out in the new Kobe Toolkit for Civil 3D for 2021. To demonstrate the tool, we're going to come up here to our Kobe Toolkit for Civil 3D ribbon. We're going to go under Label, Assemblies. We've got Assembly Report. The Assembly Report dialog box comes up. In here we can select our different corridors that we want, so we can pick them one at a time, or we can do multiple. We can either have a horizontal table or a vertical table. And our table style is going to be standard, so I'm just going to go OK. At the command line it reads Enter Table Insertion Point, so I'm going to pick a point and I'm going to zoom in here. And now we can see our two separate tables. So our corridor 1, it shows us all of our different baselines, the assemblies that they're being used, and the station from and the station to. This concludes this short video on Assembly Report. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.